LCD replacement, SSD, and RAM upgrade on HP Pavilion 15. Thank you to Sir Miko for trusting PTTIT Solutions. Look at the screen defect. Removing the hard drive. Attaching the bottom part of the laptop. Replacing a defective LCD on an HP Pavilion 15 laptop can be a worthwhile investment, especially if the laptop is relatively new and in good overall condition. A functioning display is essential for usability, and investing in a replacement LCD can extend the laptop's lifespan and ensure continued productivity and enjoyment. Consider the cost of replacement compared to the value of the laptop and its importance for your daily tasks to make an informed decision. Unpacking the replacement LCD. This LCD is already tested before we install on the unit. Signs you need to replace your laptop's LCDs. Physical damage. Cracks or chips impairing visibility. Dead pixels. Multiple dead pixels or discoloration. Flickering display. Persistent flickering or fading. Ghosting or artifacts. Image persistence or unusual artifacts, lines or patterns. Horizontal or vertical lines across the screen. No display. Completely blank or black screen despite the laptop being powered on. Screwing it in. Attaching it back together. Unpacking this 8GB DDR3 RAM. A RAM upgrade can improve system performance by allowing your computer to handle more tasks simultaneously, reducing lag and improving responsiveness. Whether it's beneficial depends on your specific needs and usage patterns. Checking the screen. Putting new CMOS battery. Unpacking this Apacer 512GB, 2.5 SSD. An SSD upgrade is worth it due to its faster performance, improved reliability, energy efficiency, quiet operation, compact size, and reduced heat generation compared to traditional HDDs. Removing the heat sink for cleaning. Removing the old thermal compound. Putting new thermal compound. Putting back the heat sink. Putting the back covers. Growing it in. LCD replacement, SSD, and RAM upgrade is done. Visit our shop to avail our service. Follow our page for more videos. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned.